In 2025, one of the most important electronic music events worldwide is coming, and I'm bringing it to you exclusively, Tomorrowland. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I'm Archie, welcome once again to the channel. On this occasion, I'm going to present to you a very important way to access the world-famous event known as Tomorrowland through the Bybit platform. Stay in this video and I'll explain how it works. But before we move on to watch the video itself, I want to mention that you'll be participating in a $5 giveaway just for commenting right in the comment box. You leave any comment you think is appropriate, and just with that, you'll be participating in each of my channels, whether it's the Spanish channel, the English channel, or the Portuguese channel. And you'll see the results from each video in today's video, meaning that today you'll see the winner from the previous video. Very important, if you comment on the English YouTube channel, the comment has to be in English. If you comment on the Portuguese channel, you just need to leave the comment in Portuguese. And right down here, you'll put your comment in Spanish to be able to participate. That's enough. Alright guys, as you may already know, Bybit is one of the most important platforms today and sponsors many significant events like in Formula 1. And in this case, I'm bringing you exclusive early access to Tomorrowland Brazil, which is going to be a very important electronic music event worldwide. In fact, as important information, let me tell you that in the year 2024, all the tickets sold out in just minutes. 800 tickets were sold for this event in just minutes. That's why what I'm bringing you today is important. And what do you need to access this promotion? It's extremely simple. First of all, obviously, you need to be registered on the Bybit platform. This is extremely important. As the second important thing, you must create an account on the official Tomorrowland page, which I will also explain how it works, all the steps. I will explain absolutely everything without any confusion. And the third important thing is to obtain your Bybit card, which is extremely simple. I will also explain all the steps on how to obtain this card, how to create your account on Tomorrowland, and how to make your purchase. And with this purchase, you will get a 10% cashback, so take advantage of this opportunity. As an important point, it is extremely important to know the release date of the presale. In this case, we see that it is on April 4th, 2025, which means there are approximately 8 days from the moment of recording this video until April 6th, 2025. Now, I am going to explain all the steps you need to follow to register and everything else to obviously get your ticket to Tomorrowland. And let's go directly to step number 1, which is extremely simple, which is to get your Bybit card. And this is extremely easy. For this, we simply go to the section we have here to get your Bybit card. We click on it, wait a few seconds, we will do everything in real time so that there is no loss of any kind. We select the residence we have, for example. In my case, it is Spain. We simply click continue. In this section that comes next, they will ask us to verify our identity with official identification. That is with your identity document, driver's license, passport, etc., etc. Once you identify yourself and pass the approval step, you simply click on apply. Notice that it says to first apply for a virtual card light, which has a cost of 150 euros. This is the first card you need to obtain. Once you obtain this card, you will be able to apply for the next one. So just follow the steps we have here, click verify, and that's it. It's that simple. Obviously, they will send the card to your home and you can also use it virtually. Also, let me tell you that if you have any kind of doubt, you can leave it directly in the comment box and I will try to answer you as quickly as possible. Now we move on to step number 2, which would be creating our account on the official Tomorrowland website. For this, we simply go to the main page of Tomorrowland and in the upper right section, you will see my account directly. We click directly here and wait a few seconds. Remember that in the video description, you will find all the important links to proceed directly to our promotion. Here you enter your email, password, and that's it. It's that simple. And finally, in step number 3, we will see that it directly tells us that we can access the presale and buy tickets with your Bybit card. You can use either a virtual card or a physical card, meaning the virtual card can be used at the time of registration and the physical card will take a few days to arrive at your home, no matter where in the world you are. As it is also important, we are going to talk a little about the benefits of obtaining this card, which actually has many. In fact, it allows you to pay anywhere in the world, whether with crypto or fiat. You earn between 2% and 10% cashback on your purchases, meaning that from what you buy or spend directly with the card, between 2 and 10% will be returned directly to you as a spending bonus benefit. Switch to the virtual and spend instantly, meaning you will be able to have your virtual card directly on your phone, mobile device, whether Android or Apple. Simply with the official apps, you will be able to pay at any establishment. And in this section here, we will see something I consider important, that you will get an APR of 8% on your inactive funds, meaning compound interest. By having your inactive funds without movement within the account, you will be able to obtain an APR, which is an annual compound interest that is 8% annually. That's quite good. Not many banks offer this percentage. Generally, a regular bank, whether it's Caixa, Santander, BBVA, offers up to 4%, at most 6%, 8% of your assets, simply by having it directly on the platform. That's quite good. What is the cost for acquiring this card? This card has no additional cost, meaning it has no fees, no annual charges, absolutely nothing. It is completely free. You can request it instantly. Right now, if you want to request it, it no longer has an additional cost. And if you say, Archie, look, I'm from Chile, I'm from Mexico, I'm from Uruguay, Argentina, how do they send the card directly to my house? Well, it's very simple. This card is delivered internationally without any problem. The only thing they ask is that you be VIP. How do you obtain VIP status? As I mentioned a moment ago, simply by registering, following the steps, and verifying your identity. With that, you are already VIP. With that, they can obviously send the card to you anywhere in the world. And if we go to the frequently asked questions section, we will find the following that directly tells us how Bybit is collaborating with Tomorrowland Brazil. Bybit, the second largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, has partnered with Tomorrowland Brazil to become its first exclusive payment partner for the 2025 and 2026 presale. As part of this collaboration, Bybit card users will have privileged early access to tickets before they are available to the general public, something unprecedented in the history of Tomorrowland. Tomorrowland Brazil 2025 will be held from October 10th to 12th at Maeda Park, located of course in Sao Paulo. Its theme will be life and set in a mythical world called Silvira. There will be an official nearby campsite called Dranbil, and for more details visit the Brazil page, which I will obviously leave here in the description. Also, to let you know that Bybit Card is celebrating 2 years since its launch. Bybit celebrated the second anniversary of Bybit Card at its headquarters in Dubai, highlighting its rapid growth with over 1.5 million cards issued since its launch. Also, in 2025, the limited edition premium metal card will be launched, featuring enhanced user experience functions such as improved reward programs, stronger fraud protection, and wearable device connectivity. Backed by MasterCard's global network, the Bybit card supports multiple cryptocurrencies. Alright guys, let's go straight to picking the winner of the giveaway from the previous video. To do this, we go directly to the latest video we have on the channel in this section here. We click on it. I'm going to pause it so it doesn't play twice. We copy the link that's at the top. We go directly to the BP Sortero app and press Ctrl-V to paste. We click on comment, load the comments, and wait a few seconds for all the comments to load completely. We filter out duplicates, scroll down to confirm, and click on comment. And in just 10 seconds, we have the winner of this giveaway, thanking you as always for being active on the channel, whether it's the Portuguese, English, or Spanish channel. So the winner is Nicolas DVD 13. Congratulations. So guys, I've practically explained everything you need to know. Go directly through the links that you will find in the description and in the comment box, as it is extremely important to always access from an official link. That's why I will leave absolutely everything there with all the information you need. I say goodbye here, sending you a kiss, a hug. Thank you so much for always being there, and as I always say, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now we just see everything we believe.